Alright, in this video we're now going to start adding our favorited posts. So to do that, in here in our code, we can simply close these two modals. Here, let's open the item is an app Livewire post. In here, let's first start by adding our backend method. So here, just like this one, we can say toggle your favorite, and then in here, of course, we're gonna make sure that the user is authenticated. And in here, if you see the API, here we can just get this toggle favorite. I mean, if you want, you can use this favorite or unfavorite to create separate methods, but for us, just to keep things clean and simple, we're gonna use this toggle favorite. So in here, inside this method, we can simply paste that. And then in here, we're going to pass this same post since we're inside this item and it has this post. Alright, after doing that, now we can go ahead and open our item blade file here. Resources, views, Livewire post. Alright, in here now, we have to go to our actions. I guess it's the one in the end, which says bookmark or favorites. Alright, so in here, we're going to add the if statement. So here, if else. So here it's going to be if post. Here, since we've added in our post model, we've added the favoritable. In here we can simply check this one, get this API has been favorited by. If post has been favorited by auth user, then copy this icon that we have, the SVG, and then here put it in a button like that. So and then if it has been favorited, now we can go ahead and get the same kind of icon but the field one. So let's go to hero icons. In here, search for bookmark. This one. Now here, get the solid one. So click on solid and then get the icon. Paste it inside here. You make sure the dimensions match like that. So if it has been favorited, then we can show this one. And actually, before you paste it here, make sure to put this inside there. Button. Alright, so let's just format the document. So here we have two buttons. Now let's add some wire click to these buttons. Your wire click. Here we can get this toggle favorite method that we have in our backend. This one. Alright. Okay, so now we can go ahead and refresh our page. Refresh this. Alright, now you can see this one is not yet favorited. Now if I click there, you see it has now been favorited, which means our post has been favorited. If I refresh the page, it's still going to be favorited, and that is amazing. Here on our next post, I can now favorite this, I can like this, and it's working perfect just like the actual Instagram application. So yeah, I think that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.